Today I fly to Toronto because I have an appointment at St. Michael's Hospital, and hopefully I get some answers to the lesion on my brain. I'm a little bit nervous. Actually, I'm a lot nervous. I have to be at the airport in, well, it's a little bit after 5, so an hour-ish, I guess. So when I get there, I will film at the Timmins airport, and then I really don't know what else to say because I'm just really nervous about this. So the next time you see me, I'll be at the airport. Getting ready to board.
The cellular service is turned off. At this time, we ask passengers using their headsets to remove them for the duration of the safety demonstration. Thank you. Normal. Vous pouvez activer votre lumière de lecture personnelle située au-dessus de vous. Merci. requiring assistance should remain seated until other passengers have left the aircraft. One of the cabin crew will then be pleased to assist you. As we have now turned off the active runway, passengers wishing to use their cellular devices may now do so. If you have used our Cape Porter baggage service, your baggage will be found outside.
Okay. I'm in the Billy Bishop Airport, trying to find my way to ground. This one down, another one. Take a couple steps down, just because it seems like it's going to take a long time. Well, those things aren't working, so I guess we gotta walk. This one's working. Don't even have to walk. Okay, I'm outside, but I gotta find a taxi, and I don't know exactly where that would be. Oh, look. I don't know if you guys seen it, but it's a squirrel. Okay, so here I am at St. Michael's Hospital. I have a long time to wait, so I will probably go and get a coffee and try to find out where I'm supposed to be going. This shit is a little busy here. 20 to 10. My appointment's not till 1. So I'm just sitting at a second cup and a coffee and some banana bread. And I'm really just trying to kill some time. I honestly just wish I was at home. This is not something that anybody would want to really go through to find out what's wrong. I mean, you gotta travel, right? But I'll finish my coffee and try to kill as much time as I can and head up to the MS clinic. Okay, I'm at the MS clinic. All the examining rooms are down there. feeling a little bit nervous, and I just want this done with. I can't talk too loud because there's a lot of people here, and I'm tired. Fingers crossed. Well, I'm just here in the room. I was showing the lesion on my brain, like the image from it. I had some tests done, and now I'm just waiting. And I think that's the worst part, is the waiting. Okay, I'm heading back to the tunnel. Less walking, or you can still walk. It's faster. And then I have no idea where I'm going. Sign. We go way up there. That's where we're going. This one. And some more way up. And that up there is the airport, the actual airport. I just have to figure out where I'm going because I have no clue. I'll have to ask. Okay. At Billy Bishop, waiting for them to call the flight to go back to Timmins. When I get back home, then I will let you guys know what they said at the MS clinic, and I'm also on an earlier flight. Thank God I don't have to wait till 8:30. Okay, I'm on my flight on the way home. Just sitting here waiting. Okay, so I'm back home, obviously. So I have to go back to the MS clinic next year, sometime, October 25th or something like that. And then in August of next year, they want me to go and get another MRI of my brain and of my spinal cord, and see if I've developed any other lesions either in the brain or on the spinal cord, because right now they said the spinal cord is okay. They, like I said, like they showed me the lesion on the brain. They also, when I was there, they got me to do some type of, it was like quick, it was done in like 10-minute test. Thank God though, like the doctor was like, oh well, you'll have to come back to get this, I forget the name of it, and I'll explain it to you. And he just walked out of the room, and the girl that was there said, you know, you're from Northern Ontario, go and ask the girl in the front if they can get you in, because flying back to Toronto for a 10-minute test, like, anyways, so they were really good. They said, yeah, you know what, we'll get the test done, there's no point of you coming back for 10 minutes. So what they do is, like, they measure, like, your head, and then they, something to do with how the eyes and the information in the spinal cord and how it's relaying back and forth. So what they do is they measure your head, and then they, like, put this, I don't know, it reminds me of, like, it looks like toothpaste, but it's like kind of like a putty type of thing, and they put it where they measure on your head here, and then they have like these wire things coming off, and there's like this computer screen with the checkers, and there's like a red dot or an orange dot, oh wait, I'm tired, in the middle of it, and one eye is covered with a patch, and you just do that, and then they cover the other eye with a patch, and I get the test tells them, like, right as soon as it's done, if there's any problems. So that's good. I have no problems with my eyes and information going into the spinal cord. So now I have to go back to my family doctor, and I don't know. I don't know what's next, other than them telling me to come back next year and to have oh, that was another thing. The doctor was like, yeah, you'll have to book for an MRI next August here, and I said I can have that done where I'm from. And then he said the thing about the eye thing there, like coming back to make an appointment for that. Like, why would I go have an MRI done in Toronto when I can have it done here in Timmins? Like, it doesn't, I brought the disc with me, like they should know this, but that's a little bit frustrating, you know. But as for, like, to do anything, I don't know. I don't know. They didn't say, so they're just wondering if I'm gonna get more lesions. And apparently it takes, like, well, I had my first MRI done, I think it was in April, and that's when the lesion, like, showed. So I guess it takes, like, they're saying, like, basically over a year for another lesion to develop, if you're gonna develop one. I don't know. I really don't know. But I'll keep you guys up to date on what's going on, like what my family doctor says, because I trust her. And yeah, other than having an MRI next August, I don't know. I don't know what the next step is. I know that like I really don't know. But like I said, I'm glad to be home. I'm glad that's done and over with. I'm not happy about just like the reception was more understanding than what the doctor was. And that's kind of sad to me. That's, but anyways, so I think that's everything. So that's it. That's all. Bye.